In this video, we'll show you how to remove password from a PDF on your Android phone. So as you can see, I have this PDF that is locked. So if I try to open it, it's asking me for a password. Now, if I want to remove the password from this particular PDF, what I need to do is head to the Google or any web browser and then type in unlock PDF. Now select the first result. Now here you will see this iLovePDF link. Simply click on the first link and here select PDF file that you want to unlock. So I'll just select my locked file and then tap on unlock PDF. Now in some cases it may also require you to enter the password, but this is not the case for every locked PDF. So simply enter the password and then hit send. Now tap on this download unlock PDF and as you can see the file is now downloaded. Now I can open it without any password. So if I try to go to the file explorer again, so this is the locked PDF right here. If I try to open it, it's asking for a password, but this is the unlocked PDF without the password. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Good.